FoilSnap is making waves as a new app for TCG enthusiasts, but is it really worth your time? With so many options out there, let's dive into what FoilSnap offers and whether it lives up to the hype. FoilSnap is designed specifically for trading card game players, offering a streamlined way to track and manage your collection. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, making it easy to add cards and keep tabs on their values. You can scan cards directly using your device's camera, which is a nice touch for collectors who want to quickly log their assets. The app emphasizes community features, allowing users to connect with others, trade cards, and share insights about the market. However, while the core functionality seems solid, there are moments when the app feels a bit clunky, especially during peak times when many users are online. It's also worth noting that the intended audience is pretty niche, so if you're not into TCGs, this app probably won't resonate with you. One standout feature is the real-time pricing updates, which can help collectors make informed decisions. Yet, I did notice that information on certain card values can sometimes lag behind, leading to potential miscalculations. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ease of scanning cards and the community interaction features are definitely highlights. The app also provides a clean design that makes navigating through your collection enjoyable. However, there are some frustrations. The app can slow down during high traffic, making it less reliable when you need it most. Plus, while the real-time value updates are a great idea, they can lack accuracy for less popular cards, which might leave serious collectors wanting more. If you're a casual player, FoilSnap could be a fun tool to enhance your experience. But for hardcore collectors, the occasional inaccuracies and performance issues might be a deal breaker. In conclusion, FoilSnap has potential, especially for casual TCG players looking to manage their collections with ease. However, serious collectors may want to consider alternatives that offer more reliability and accurate pricing. If you're curious, it's definitely worth giving a try, but don't expect it to be flawless right out the gate.